Hello everyone. So friends, I'm going to show that what are the kind of templates available in our chatbot agency program so that you can serve your clients. As I mentioned earlier that we are giving almost 100 templates to serve different industries and niche. So I'm just showing you an example starting from heat, ventilation and air conditioning services, mold removal, SEO agency template is also available with us. Then moving to wedding venues. This is a lead generation bot, auto roadside assistance, beauty salon bot. Then we have bookkeeping and tax services bot for practicing consultants, business funding bot, car dealership bot. Then we have chatbot agency bot. This is for our industry only. Cart discount bot for e-commerce players, car insurance bot. Then we have chatbot for real estate, chiropractor bot, cleaning services bot. Then contact us bot, conference registration bot. This is an affiliate bot, COVID cleaning bot, cooking classes bot. So all of these bots are either for affiliate marketing or for lead generation or for booking appointment. They are some way automating the conversation that you do in your daily life, and it will make the workload easier for your client also. Dentist appointment mode. Then we have COVID-19 bot, digital marketing quiz bot, discount coupon one bot, discount coupon two bot. Again, we have bot for dog trainers, doctor appointment bot, dry cleaning bot, electrician bot, family lawyer bot, feedback collection bot, fitness collection bot. Then we have exit discount offers bot. So these bots, exit discount offer bot means that, for example, if your client is running a website and from that particular website, any customer exits from a particular page, then this exit bot can be utilized. Okay, florist bot, gardener bot. Then we have lead generation bots, social share bots, graphic designer bot, hair removal bot, gym membership, guitar lessons, hair salon, health insurance, human resources. HR is one of the most important niche where the boats can play a amazing role. Hotel booking road, boat, home insurance boat, insurance broker. We have boat for IT incidents that can be used by our hardware engineers. Kitchen designing boat, learning languages. In case if you need more customized boat, we can also customize the boat as per your requirement. Life insurance boat, and that is why I'm appointing chatbot agencies so that our chatbot agencies can start building the bots, providing the services, providing customized bots to the clients. So, for example, if you have good contacts in a real estate segment, you can simply sell all kind of real estate bots to the real estate people, and you can sell customized services to them. You can sell definitely all of the bots, but I will cover this content later that why it is much more profitable if you choose to select boats in any particular niche. Then we have boat for personal trainers, pet grooming, photographers, plumber, piano lessons, real estate boat again, boat on restaurants, restaurant reviews, real estate lawyers, recruitment consultants, relationships, skin, skip hire, self-help roofing services, social rescue agency, solar energy survey, travel assistant chatbot. So as I mentioned that we have more than 100 chatbot templates to help you, and I'm sure that you would love this platform while customizing the boards. Thank you very much.